Math Gad.
Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we're going to be doing a problem-based learning situation, right? So we're going to be learning percentage increases of two numbers. So from one number to another number and that number increasing. And we're going to calculate that percentage. So guys, the first thing we have to learn when calculating how to calculate the percentage increase is that first we're going to understand or identify which are the different variables of the problem. After that, we're going to calculate if there is an increase or a change, right, from an original amount, and then we're going to apply the percentage formula, right? So again, when using the third step, so we know that the percentage formula is going to say that the part is going to be equal to the percentage multiplied by the total or the change, right? And when we have percentage increase, that part is going to be the increment or the change, and that is going to be equal to the percentage, right, or the percentage increase, and it's going to be multiplied by the total amount. The total amount is usually, when talking about percentage increase problems, is going to be generally the original amount. So we have the part, which is the change, the percentage is going to be the percentage increase, and the total is going to be the original amount. So now let's try tackling a problem, guys. Now, the problem that we're going to be taking a look at today says the following. So the weight of a baby calf was 400 pounds 2 months ago. Now it is 520 pounds. What percentage of its original weight did the cow increase? So guys, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to identify the variables, right? So how can we identify the variables? Now we know that the calf had an initial amount of pounds, and then it had a change, right, in the amount of pounds. So initially, the original amount, right, was 400 pounds, right? That was the original amount. So we're going to say that that is the 100%. Now, the cow's or the calf's weight is going to be 520 pounds, right? Which is going to mean that there is an increase, right? And that is what they're asking us. What percentage of its original weight did the cow increase, right? So we know that the first half of it is going to be the 100%, and that was 400 pounds, right? And the increase is of 120 pounds. Now, the second step, so guys, the increase is going to be the original amount, right, which was 400 pounds, and that is going to be subtracted from the final amount, which was 520 pounds, which is 120 as we mentioned before. That is going to be the increase. But now in order to find the percentage, we're gonna substitute in the formula. So part is going to be equal to percentage by the whole, or the original amount, right? So the part is going to be 120, which is the increase. The percentage is an amount we do not know yet. And the whole is going to be the original amount, which was 400 pounds, right? Because the question is, what percentage of its original weight did the cow increase? Now, what we do is that we divide everything by 400, right? And we are left with the percentage being the part divided by the whole, and then we multiply that by 100% in order to find the percentage. So that is going to be 120 divided by 400, and then multiplying that by 100%. So that is how we find that the percentage increase of the cow's weight from its original amount is of 30%. So guys, feel free to rewatch the video and always remember that you can always find the formula dividing the part by the whole, where the whole is going to be the original amount and the part is going to be the amount that it increased. So guys, that's all for today. See you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!